Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. Big Naughty, Sincere Lies. Alright, it's a great song, great mix of some picking patterns, some strumming, and that's it. And the setup here is non-existing. All you need is a semi kind of tuned guitar with 6 strings, and that's it. So let's go into the chords. We're gonna start with A first. Okay, so A goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Next is the B minor 7. It's a bar chord, so you're gonna place index finger on the 2nd fret, 5 strings, all strings except from that last E string in the bass. You need to push them down, and then you need to add 4th D and 3rd B. We have the F sharp minor, another bar chord. This time you push down all strings on the 2nd fret with your index finger, and you need to add 4th A and 4th D. And then you slide 1 fret away to land on the standard F chord. It's a bar still. On the 1st fret this time, push down all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. So there you have the chord progression through the entire song. Now let's go into the melody here and do that chord by chord. Starting with A, you're gonna play this part. So you're gonna play open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, back to 2nd D, then 3rd B, 2nd B, 2nd G, and 2nd D. That's it. So slowly. Next is the B minor part, and you're gonna play this a little bit stretchy, perhaps. So you're gonna play 2nd fret A. I hold that with my index finger, then 4th D with my little pinky, then 2nd G with my mid finger, then back to 4th D, then open B, 2nd G, 4th D, and back to 2nd G. Slowly. Then we have the F sharp minor chord, and what you do here is to hold is index finger on the 2nd fret E string in the bass, then ring finger on the 4th A, and a little pinky on the 4th D. That's my setup, and we're gonna play like this. Okay, so I played 2nd fret E string, 4th A, 4th D, back to 4th A. Then I release my index finger and have it prepared for the 2nd fret G string. But before that, I play open B, and then comes the 2nd G, then 4th D, and 2nd G. So you keep that ring finger and a little pinky on the same spot there, but you release the index to grab the 2nd G string. So slowly it goes like this. That's the F sharp minor chord, and then the F chord will be okay. So you hold the chord as it is, but instead of having a bar, you just have that pointed index finger on this 1st fret E string. Okay, you don't bar all strings there because you want some open there. So just a pointed note there on the 1st fret E string. You're gonna play 1st E, 3rd A, 2nd G, and then 3rd D. So start is 1st E, 3rd A, 2nd G, 3rd D, and then open B, 2nd G, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And that open B note, that's the reason for us not having a full grip as it is, not the bar, because we want the open, okay? So that was the last chord, so slowly everything goes like this. And you can just roll that from the beginning till the very end, or go into the strumming world. Now let's focus on the full chords: A, B minor 7, F sharp minor, and F. And one string around with A sounds like this. Very simple, guys. 4 downs. You're gonna focus on the 3rd down. You're gonna play on the high string there, and all other downs you play on the bass mid area. So bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass. That's how I like to spice it up. And what you're gonna play now is 2 string rounds per chord in the same order I mentioned. So A2, B minor 2, F sharp 2, and F2. And there you have, my friends. Big Naughty, cool name, Sincere Lies. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, show me that. Show me some love back, and I hope to see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.